Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 7 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Let's start our exam to solve step by step. Please, if you need help in this exam or course, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Now I am going to start my exam to solve it step by step. The question number 1 is that in cell I7, insert the comparing function to calculate the cumulative principal for the first payment of the loan. Convert the comparing result to a positive number. Basically, in this question, we will click on cell I7. Then we will press is equal to in cell I7. Then we will enter a comparing function to calculate the cumulative principal for the first payment of the loan. Okay, enter press is equal to in cell I7, and then we will enter comparing function. Okay, CUMPRINC. Calculate principal, the first payment of the loan. Where is the first payment of the loan? Principal. Okay, into the value in the range is that. Where is the value in the range? You can see here F F3. If you can see F3 is periodic rate, is absolute reference, and then F4 is hash of payment, and then F2 is loan. You can see first I have entered comparing function, the into F3 is periodic rate, and then F4 is hash of payment, then F2 is loan, then A7 is payment number. Okay, please focus on my PC screen. $8.07, then A7, then 0, 1 second, then 0. Okay, then we will press enter. It will be found cumulative principal in cell I7. You can see here. Now first we will enter comparing function, then we will press enter. Now copy the function in the cell I7 to the range I8 to I42. We will copy the range through cell I7 to I8 to I42. Okay. Question is completed. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of exam is that insert the switch function in cell F9 that looks up the city in cell C9 and switches a city for a region. The function should switch China for F$2. Basically in this question we will go to the cell F9 that look up the city in cell C9, switches the city of region. Basically in this question we will go to cell F9, then we will insert a switch function. We will insert the switch function. Okay, insert a switch function in cell F9 into C9 and F$2 and F4. Okay, Denver for F2, C9. One second. C9 and switches a city for a region. The function should switch China. Okay, we will type CHEYA Okay, and then F$2 and then for Dallas. F$2 for Dallas. Okay, F4 for Denver, F2 and Portland for F3. Dallas, F Dallas for F$4, Denver for F$2. Dallas for F$4. Okay, and then Denver for F$2. Denver for F$2. And Portland, okay, after 2 you can must enter inverted commas, you can see. And Portland for F$3. Portland for F$3. Okay, you can see here, this is good now. Okay, then we will press enter. You can see first I have entered a switch function in cell F9, then I have entered this complete statement C9, okay, F2, Dallas for F4, Denver for F2, and Portland for F3. Then we will press enter. It will find region in cell F9. You can see this is so good now. Then I have enter, okay, we will press enter, then it will be find value, region in cell F9, west, south, central. Now copy the function in cell F9, paste the function to the range F10 to F33 using the paste formula option, press escape. Okay, we will copy down the formula through cell F33 and then press escape. One second, we will copy the formula and then paste in the function F10 to F3. You can see first we'll copy through F33 and then we'll press escape. Copy and paste here and then we will press escape. One second. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of this exam is question number 3. Okay, the question number 3 of exam is that select the non-adjacent ranges I2 to I6 and K2 to K6 and insert a field map. We will select first this range I2 to I6 and then we will select K2 to K6 and we will go to the insert tab. In the maps group we will insert map. We will select this range, press command and then select second range. Then we will go to the insert tab. Okay. In the charts group, click on map button. You can see in the charts group, we will click on map button and then insert field map. Click on this map, field map. The field map will be inserted here. Okay, type payroll by state as the chart title. We will click on the chart title and then we will type payroll by state as the chart title and click the chart area. Payroll by state, payroll by state. Okay, and click the chart area. Now cut the selected map and paste into cell H19. We will simply select this chart, go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on cut button and paste in cell H19. Okay. Display the format data series task pane and display the map label for best fit only. Keep the format data series task pane open. Okay. Right click on the click on format data series. Okay. Display the map label for the best fit only. Display the map label for best fit only. Where is the map label for best fit? Go to the map label and then keep the format data series task pane open. Format data series task pane and display the format data series task pane and the map label for the best fit only. Label is best fit only. Okay. With the format data series task pane open, change the series color to diverging 3 color. Select yellow as the minimum lowest value fill color and select red as the highest value fill color. You can see here with the format data series task pane open, go to the open and change the series color to diverging 3 color. Okay, we will go to the select color diverging 3 colors. Select yellow as the minimum lowest value for fill color. Yellow as the minimum lowest for minimum color is yellow and highest value color red for highest. We will select yellow as for minimum and maximum for red. We will go to the maximum color and then select red color for maximum. Okay. Okay, close the task pane. You can see question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. Okay, the next question of this exam is that insert the year function in cell G9 to extract the year from the hire date for the first employee. We will click on cell G9 and then we will insert a year function. Press is equal to and then we will insert year function. Press is equal to enter year function in cell G9 to select the year from the date from the first employee. You can see insert year function. Okay, D9 hire date. Okay, extract the year from the hire date for the first employee. You can see hire date for the first employee is D9. We will press enter. First we will enter. We will click on cell G9. Then we will press is equal to. Then we will enter year function into D9. First employee for the hire date. Then we will press enter. Okay, insert the yearic function inside H9 to calculate the difference between the first employee's hire date in the D9 and then the last date of the date in cell L2. Simply, we will click on cell H9 first and then insert a yearic function. Yearic function. Yearic function. We will enter array function. Okay, into the first employee's hire date D9. First employee's for hire date is D9 and then last day of the year date in L2. Where is the L2? L2 is okay, last day of the year in cell L2 and then we will click on cell L2 in the last date of the year in here. Then we will press enter. It will be found yearly employed. Okay, question is completed now. Change the reference of L2 in the EREC function to the mixed references L$2. Change the reference of L2 in the EREC function. We will change L$2. We will press shift and click on 4 button for dollar sign for mixed references. Now select range G9 to H9, the range containing the year and year function, and use autofill to copy the function to the range G10 to H33. Select fill without formatting to preserve the formatting including borders. Okay, we will select first this range G9 to H9, the range year and year function. We will select this range. Use autofill to copy the function. We will simply control plus C for copy. We will copy this function and then paste into, okay, copy G10 to GH33. This is so very simple. We will use fill handle through the range G9 to H9 to G10 to H33 and then select fill without formatting to preserve the formatting including fill without formatting. Okay, question is completed. Now I have done 4 questions right now. Sorry, 5. Now I am going to do question number 6. Calculate the periodic interest rate in cell F3. We will click on cell F3 and then we will calculate the periodic interest rate B3 APR dividing by D3 for PMT per year. Press enter, it will be found periodic rate in cell F3. You can see here, we will click on cell F3, we will press is equal to B3 and divided by D3. Now calculate the total number of payment in cell F4, press is equal to enter sum function. Where is the total number? We will enter the sum function. Sorry, D2, really sorry, we will enter press is equal to into D2. D2 is year and then multiplying by D3. Okay, press is equal to in cell F4 for calculate the total number of payment in cell F4. D2 is PMT year per year and multiplying by D3. D2 is year and then D3 is PMT per year. Then we'll press enter, it will find hash of payment. Okay. In cell F2, insert a function to calculate the present value of the auto loan. The function should return a positive number. Okay. In cell F2, insert a function to calculate the present press is equal to PV function into F3 and F4. F3 is periodic rate. Sorry, F3 and F4. We will enter PV function into F3 F4 minus B2 payment. Okay, you can see here first. Now we will have to insert a function to calculate the present value of the auto loan. We will enter. We will click on cell F2. Press is equal to. We will enter PV function to F3 and F4 minus B2. Then we will press enter. Question is completed now. You can see I have. Okay, really sorry, my video was stopped. Okay, it's my mistake. You can see I have done 7 question out of 14. It's mean I have done half exam in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. You can directly comment on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can directly scan on my WhatsApp and comment on my WhatsApp chat. We will deal for this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, all assignments and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.